Hi Tanuja,
Hi ma'am, how are you?
how are you? I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking.
That's good. And before we start the session, little introduction. My, you must be knowing about me, right?
Yeah,
So tell me, let me know about you.
yeah. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal and I have done engineering and currently I'm a working professional in IT sector.
Where are you working? Bhopal.
Yeah, so it is a remote job currently, so that's why.
Okay, work from home.
Yeah, right.
Otherwise, where is your office? Where?
It is in Noida.
Noida. Okay. Very close to us. I am in
Yes. Where are you from?
Faridabad.
Okay, okay. I have heard this.
Yeah, Noida, Faridabad, Gurgaon, they are just part of Delhi now. NCR.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So it's a boon for you. You can stay at your place. Work from home is a boon these days, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So they have not started calling you yet, or some offices have started
Yeah,
calling.
they have called for some of the employees, but I they haven't called me as of now.
You are the fortunate one, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, what is your feedback about Clapingo, this platform?
Um, I got different feedback. Some has told me that I make mistakes in grammar sometimes, and some has told me that I take many pauses. So
Some
that's
have
why.
told. Someone has told. Someone has when we talk one. Someone said, "I take too many pauses." Someone said, "Okay." One person has. Some with people we use some people, then it's understood. Some have said this. Some have said this. If you will say someone, then you will use has. Okay.
Okay, 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 got
That's
it.
and what is your? Are you happy with the platform? Are you gaining? Have you gained confidence? Are you have you gained fluency and whatever? What do you feel till now?
Yes, actually, in the beginning, I was quite nervous and I was not getting the confidence to speak with others. But gradually, I am improving. So I think it's a good platform. And some has told me some of the things like I should improve this. So I'm working on that part. So yeah, definitely it is helping me a lot.
That's good. That is awesome because you should be happy, satisfied. Then only you will enjoy and learn something, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Should we come to the topic or you want to speak? The topic is did you do you go through the topic?
Yes, yes.
What is today's topic?
If someone is moving to my city, some friend is moving to my city, then how I would help them.
How would
So,
you help a friend uh, who moves to your city, right?
yeah,
Uh, so actually, have you experienced this kind of situation ever?
yeah. When I moved to another city, then I faced this problem, this thing.
Okay, then you got a help. What? How did they help you? Where did you move? How was it the experience? How did your friends help you?
Uh, Actually, I went to my relative's home because the first time when I went to Noida, first time for my job purpose. So I had a relatives there, so I just called them that I'm coming. So because my office location is there, so it was quite easy for me because they were already there. So they just pick up me uh, from the station, and I went I went to their home, and yeah, I stayed 1 or 2 days, and
with
after
them.
that yeah, and after that they helped me to find
Fine.
PG, because yes, because I had to live in PG, and that was quite near to my office, so they helped me at that time where I had to stay. So they
Okay.
helped me to find the place, like where I have to stay. And yeah, that place was quite near. uh, no, I can't say the near, because that was far from my office, because the location was, uh, I found that is good, because in near the office places that was not too good, because of staying purpose, that was not good. I feel like that. So yeah,
Got it.
that's what they
That
helped me.
okay, you were the lucky one. You had relatives and they helped you out. Now,
Yes.
some of your acquaintances or your friend or your colleague is shifting to Bhopal. So, what will you? How would you help that friend to move?
Yes. So first thing, I will take her at my home, so
To
she will feel comfortable, and
uh,
I can help. I can help. I can ask where she want to live. Like she want to stay in like home, or she want to live in a hostel or PG. So I will suggest that place, especially if she is coming for the job purpose. So I can find the place near to their job location, so I can help her to find the place where she can live. And yeah, definitely the place should be like in the area where she can find anything easily, like grocery shop or the hospitals, or yeah, the near mall, so she can find these things. So I will help her, and also I will help her to shift their luggage. Yeah, that's
so when we say I can, we can't say, we don't say I'll do this. I will. You won't say I can do this. I can do this. No, I'll try to find out from her what kind of place she would like to stay, and I'll ask about her choice, whether she was looking for a PG or a hostel or an independent apartment. According to her convenience, I will shortlist few places. I'll take her around the city, and I'll ensure that everything is in close proximity, daily needs. If she has to use public transport, it is available. So we don't say I can, I can. Okay.
okay.
So whatever I suggested, this is, I think you should speak like this. Okay.
Okay.
Um all right. And which are the on weekends? Which are the places you would take her to? And one more thing, we don't say near to. We say near her office, close to her office, not near to. Near is not followed by to. Near, I look for places near her workplace or near my own house, or close to my house. Close to is followed by to, but near
So,
is not followed
okay, got it.
by. What was I telling? So which are the places, like on first weekend, which are the places you would take her to in Bhopal? Which are the touristy places? Which are the monuments? Because Bhopal is a beautiful city and there is a lot to see. I have heard. I have never been to Bhopal yet.
Yeah, here there are many places where we can visit, and I will take her first the mall that is very biggest mall here, DB Mall. That is very famous and biggest mall here. So I will take her there, and other place I will take her to Lake City, because Bhopal is also called the city of lakes. So there are many lakes here. So I will
It's
take her.
lake. It's lakes, not lakes.
It
Lakes,
lakes,
lakes, lakes.
lakes.
lakes, okay, not lakhs. Lakhs means he lakhs is in something. Lakhs is
Got it.
different. Okay?
Yes,
Lakes. There are many
lakes.
lakes. Yes. And there is an old fort or something.
Yes, here some historical places also like Bhimbetka, Sanchi. So
Sanchi Stupa
yes,
and
yes.
Bhimbedkar. Yes. Oh, okay. So you will take her to on a city tour. Okay. And what else? How you will tell her which are the safety? What are the precautions she should take here when she is staying there, uh, her alone? When she is staying alone, what are
Mhm.
the precautions you would suggest her? What would you advise her not to roam around at night? Or is it, I think Bhopal is a very safe city, isn't it?
Yes,
Now, where were we? So you will tell her which is the cheapest and safest mode of transport. Which is that? Is
so
do you
here
have
the
that? Hmm.
yes, so red bus is famous here. I can say the cheapest for traveling here and there. So I would suggest red bus. And
Okay.
for the safety purpose, I would not suggest that she should use the public transport at night. So yeah, I would suggest this and not to roam here and there at night because
Alone.
our safety is in our hand. So we can't say that this place is safe. So we should do anything or we can do anything here. So yeah, I would
So
suggest this.
any other thing besides this, any particular things you would make her aware of? Which are the best things to shop from? Whether it's good to buy things from malls, other or there are some budget shops also.
Yes, so here is a market, new market that is famous here. So she can buy anything, whatever she needs, like for their clothes or anything she wants, she can buy it from there. So I would suggest new market and some of the small malls are also here. So if she wants at cheapest price, then she can go there. So I would suggest some of the malls. Yeah.
Right. And now we come to, because it's already 14, about few tips besides being on this platform. What are you doing to improve your language skills?
Yeah, so I'm listening some of the interviews of famous person. Like I can do the listening. I am doing the listening part, and recently I have started reading also. So,
What are you reading?
so I have just started reading a book novel.
Which book are you reading?
So I just finished Atomic Habit.
Okay, this is not a novel, isn't it? Okay,
It's a self-help book, I can say.
self. So, did you enjoy reading this?
Yes, sure.
Can you tell me little about this book? I haven't read this book. I have heard a lot about it. Did you learn
Yeah,
something from the book?
yeah, in this book it is written that we should make our habit like if we do some of the small changes in our habit, then definitely it help you to make the massive difference in your life. If we are waking up at 6, so if we are just waking up 10 to 15 minutes before, and by doing these things, so we can make many differences in our life. And some other things are also there, like what should we do to avoid our bad habit, and how we can adopt the new habits and good habits. So this book
So,
is all about this.
a small change in habit can go a long, isn't it? Become a
Yes,
remarkable change. It can go a long way and will bring you remarkable change, and it can lead you a better life. It can make you more successful. Now,
yes.
I would like to tell you, suggest you, if you have read, it's good. Read it once again,
Mhm.
because
Okay.
every book I think should be read 3 times. I'm
Yeah,
not
right.
exaggerating. And every time you will read it, you will find something new from the book. Now,
Yes.
this time when you will read the book, since you have already bought this book, why not make maximum use of this book?
Yes.
Read this book when you have read a chapter. Maybe every day you don't read more than 3 4 pages, or maybe maximum 10 pages. Once you have
Yes.
read 3 4 pages, with your eyes closed, just sit and try to recall what all did you read and make the points.
Okay.
First, second time you will read, write down all the points and read those points loudly, or if possible, take your mobile, put the book in front, that notebook in front of you, read it with proper expressions and record your voice.
Okay.
Once you have done this exercise, and again you will read again, and on the, like, you will make the notes on a page. When you read it third time, then you will see the difference. You will be knowing much more vocabulary, you will be noticing, and whenever you come across a new word or a very interesting phrase, try to jot it down. Whenever you read a book, when we are reading a book for only for enjoyment, then we do need not focus on vocabulary and phrases and sentences. But when we are
Yes.
reading to improve our language skills, keep a notebook next to you. It's not that every new word you come across, sometimes we, wow, this is an interesting word, try to note it down. And
Yeah, that's good point.
uh, these are, and